I want to come and share with you guys something that I have been loving, and I have been using it now for the past few weeks now, and I really, really loved it. During the summer, I have hoi cords and I also have other allergic reactions. So therefore, my eyes is always very swollen and itchy. So sometimes I let it. Sometimes I just like I have the urge to itch it, and then it becomes swollen, and then I have this really dark circle underneath my eyes. I love using eye serum to actually clear it up. At least it helps minimize the swollen and the darkness underneath my eyes. So one eye cream that I have been obsessed about. I've seen great reviews on it on TikTok, on Facebook, and Instagram. So I thought, you know what, let me pick it up. This is the Beauty by joseon on the eye cream. I really, really loved it. This one has ginseng and retinol. This is so good. I love the consistency. I have used it. I use it in the morning and I use it at night. So I just want to come and share with you guys how I apply it. My face is freshly washed. I haven't applied anything on my face yet. I just moisturize my skin. So this is what I do. I just take a little bit like this. I can't really see. I'm just going with the feeling. And I just like to dab underneath my eyes like this. Blend it. Let's look up. It really helps with that dark on the eye and also really helps me at night. So whatever is on my hand, I just like to bring it on the eyelid. And so far, using this for the past few weeks now, I have seen a great result. As you guys can see, the weather is so beautiful outside, and my eye is looking okay, even though I have my allergic reaction, but my under eye is looking really, really nice. It's not dark, it's not swollen. At least the under eye cream really helps to calm down the situation and also help to control the darkness underneath the eyes. I love it. And also one thing I like to do, this is something I saw on TikTok. One lady was like, bring it to your fine line. It also helps. How true is that? I don't know, but I thought, you know what, it's cream. It doesn't cause any harm. Why not try it? So this is how I use it. And I have three of this. I have two backup. I have been using this every single day and I really, really, really love it. Whenever I apply my makeup, I've seen that my under eye looks very, very flawless and I just love how it looks. So yeah, I just want to come and share with you guys this. I am the obsessed. I am so, so obsessed about it. I love it. And so far so good. I also have their face mask and their cleansing oil. I love their product. I love that ginseng smell because I'm somebody who loves ginger, so it kind of gives me like that. I don't know if it's in the ginger family, I think, but I love the smell. It's so so beautiful. It's so amazing. So yeah, I just want to come and share with you guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment box. Thank you guys so much for your love and support, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Yeah, bye.